Hi everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los Wits. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious green Mexican rice. It's super tasty and delicious. And if you want to know how to make the red rice or the white rice, the Mexican rice, Spanish rice, please go to my page, to my channel, and I have the recipes there already. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. These are the ingredients that we're going to need to make our green rice. 2 cups of rice, of course, 3 cups of water, some oil to fry the rice, and I use the jasmine rice. I love how it comes out and I love the smell and the flavor. We are going to use 1 spoon of minced garlic, or you can use 2 cloves of garlic. 1 spoon of chicken bouillon, half a spoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, or as much as you want, half a small onion just chopped in pieces, doesn't matter how big, we're gonna blend them. The same with the spinach, half a cup of spinach and half a cup of cilantro. And if you have fresh spinach, it's better. I'm using frozen spinach, but fresh is better. And we're gonna start by blending all these ingredients. The first step is just to throw all the ingredients in the blender. So I'm gonna put the garlic and all of these together in the blender and just blend it. Okay, everything is in the blender. I'm gonna start blending it. I added around half a cup of water to blend it all together. And let's start blending this. Okay, everything is blended and we have to blend it until it's completely smooth. So it's ready. Let's start with the next step. The next step is to start frying the rice. So I have my oil almost ready, hot enough to start frying the rice. So let's start with that. I'm gonna fry the rice until it turns color to that white fry color, and I'm not gonna let it brown too much. Okay, let's keep frying this rice. Okay guys, all this time I had my heat in high heat while frying the rice. Just make sure it doesn't burn, but just keep it in high heat until it's completely fried. And don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Wits and follow my recipes by activating the bell. Okay guys, it's ready now. I'm gonna add the sauce that we made. Okay, I added the sauce. I'm gonna let it fry. As you can hear, it's frying. Before I add the water, just for around a minute. It smells so delicious. Okay, it's been like around 1 minute, so I'm just gonna add the water now. I'm gonna lower my heat to the lowest setting, to low. Okay, I added the water. I'm just gonna mix everything super good so all the rice gets all the flavors. And I'm gonna cover it. And I'm gonna let it simmer for 30 minutes in low heat. Don't forget that. I'm not gonna open it. I'm not gonna add more water. I'm just gonna let it simmer for around 30 minutes. Of course, I'm gonna be coming back to check like around every 10 minutes to make sure that everything is going good, that it doesn't need more water, that it's not burning. Okay, it's been around 25 minutes and I came to check my rice again and I can see it still has some moisture. So I'm gonna let it cook for 5 more minutes. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes and I don't see as much moisture on the top. So let's check. And the rice is ready. It's perfect. Look at the beautiful color. Smells so delicious. Let's get our plate ready with this delicious puffy rice. Look how puffy. It's not all smushy. It's not falling apart. It has a little bit more sauce than regular, but it's just like the spinach and the cilantro. It smells so good. Look at this delicious rice. It's just perfect. It's so tasty. You don't really taste the flavor of the spinach. It tastes more like the cilantro and the garlic and the onion. It's super good, and you can have it with any other dish to go with. I hope you like my recipe. Enjoy and activate the bell to follow my recipes. Thank you.